In your top bar, the bell icon will bring you to notifications. Notifications are where you will receive alerts when being mentioned in items, like we did here when impersonating Caleb. You'll also see these when assigned to items. The tray icon next to notifications will bring you to the update feed. Here, you'll be able to see all the updates that are happening, and you can filter between read and unread updates here. There's a tab to directly see your mentions again. In the update feed, you can interact very much like you would in a social media feed. We could react to this or reply. We can see who else has seen this. We can mark it read or unread. I'll adjust my filter to bring that back. And we could set a reminder here if we'd like. We also have a menu with a small set of options, and bookmark to update feed will add this to our bookmarked tab so that we can see this easily later.